Hi friends, this is Naga Rohith Reddy from Thankyou. Today let's look at the Xiaomi 11i smartphone. Make sure to subscribe our channel for useful tech videos. Xiaomi 11i and Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge are same, except Hypercharge has 120 watt charger in the box, but Xiaomi 11i has 67 watt charger in the box, whereas battery capacity of Hypercharge is 4500 mAh battery, and in Xiaomi 11i it has 5160 mAh battery. This is the difference between these two smartphones. Coming on to design, the sides of the smartphone are flat and backpack of the smartphone is glass, so looks premium, and the weight is around 206 grams. Weight distribution is excellent in this smartphone. Now let's look at the ports and buttons. This smartphone has Type-C port, dual speakers, which supports Dolby Atmos. The SIM card slot is hybrid. 3.5mm jack is there in this smartphone. IR sensor, noise cancellation mics. These are the ports and buttons of this smartphone. Coming on to display, this smartphone has 6.67 inches FHD plus AMOLED display with 120 Hz fast refresh rate with the peak brightness of 1200 nits brightness. This display is bright in sunlight. Bezels are very less in this smartphone. Xiaomi 11i also has 300 Hz touch sampling rate. Coming on to performance, Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge smartphone MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC. It is a 6nm battery efficient processor. There are two variants in this smartphone: 6GB plus 128GB storage and 8GB plus 128GB storage. There are two variants: 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. RAM is LPDDR4X and storage type is UFS 2.2. The benchmark scores comes around 4,30,000. It is same as Snapdragon 778 5G processor. Since this phone comes with a stereo speakers and display is AMOLED, the gaming performance will be buttery smooth and excellent. There will be no heating issue in this smartphone. We can play high games in very high settings. We can play high graphic games in very high settings. Coming on to virtual RAM, for 6GB variant, it has 2GB external RAM, and for 8GB variant, it has 3GB additional RAM. Coming on to UI. UI means user interface. It is very important in this smartphone. Android 11 is present in this smartphone and it comes with MIUI 12.5. Some bugs are fixed and ads are reduced in this smartphone. Coming on to battery. For Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge, it has 4500 mAh battery capacity and it comes with 120 watt charger. You can charge it 1 to 100% in just 15 minutes. But you should toggle to boost charging mode to enable this 120 watt charging. For Xiaomi 11i, it has 5160 mAh battery capacity with 67 watt charging. Since this processor is a battery efficient processor, the battery lasts long. Coming on to camera, this smartphone has 108 MP triple camera setup. Primary sensor is 108 megapixels and 8 megapixels ultra wide and 2 megapixels macro. The selfie camera is 16 megapixels. The photos comes with natural colors, look punchy. Overall, camera performance is extraordinary. The video recording can be done at 4K 30fps. Coming on to sensors, all sensors are available in this smartphone and it has extra sensors like IR sensor, 360-degree ambient light sensor. It has side-mounted fingerprint. Coming on to connectivity, it supports 5G with 5 bands. It supports 5G with 8 bands. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, dual 4G volt, FM is available. Multimedia experience is awesome. The stereo speakers supports Dolby Atmos, so multimedia experience will be top notch. Coming on to pricing, Xiaomi 11i 5G priced at 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant price is 24,999. For 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, price is 26,999. Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge pricing is 6GB plus 128GB storage is 26,999. For 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, price is 28,999. These smartphones are available in Flipkart. Overall, the smartphone features are excellent. Every feature is top notch and it will be a flagship killer in this price range. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel for useful tech videos. Comment below your thoughts and suggestions. Like this video. It will motivate me to do more tech videos. As I'm signing off, see you in the next one.